Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Balakrishna. In this video, I am going to explaining class 8, chapter 11, mensuration. So, it is also useful for AP and Telangana, CTS, TET and DSC. Okay, so here the example 1. The area of a trapezium shaped field. So trapezium means what? In a quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So this is trapezium. These two are opposite sides. So opposite sides are parallel. Okay, the quadrilateral is called trapezium. So A, B, C, D is a trapezium. So this area, how much they given that? 480 meters square. The distance between the two parallel sides. So these two are parallel. So the distance. So how much they given that? 15 meter. Next, and one of the parallel side is how much? 20. So one of the parallel side in these two parallel side they given that one of the parallel side how much they given that? 20. Find the other parallel side. So let us take that is x. So here what is the area of the trapezium formula? 1 by 2 into h of a plus b. So here given distance between two parallel sides is 15 meter. Next, length of one parallel side is 20 meter. So length of another parallel side is how much? X meter. Let us take that is x meter. Next, they given that area of field. So the field is in the shape of trapezium. So area of field, how much they given that? 480 meters square. So area of trapezium, what the formula? 1 by 2 into h into a plus b is equal to 480. So 1 by 2 into h, height is nothing but distance between two parallel sides. 15 into a is how much? 20 plus b, you know that is x is equal to how much? 480. So 2 divide, this 2 is going to solve upon multiple. So that is here 15 into 20 plus x is equal to 480 into 2. So 482 ja, how much? 960. So here we can use the property, distributive property. A of b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. That is 15 into 20 plus 15 into x. So 15 20 is how much? 300 plus 15x is equal to 960. So plus 300 going to solve upon minus. So 15x is equal to 960 minus 300. So 15x is equal to how much? 660. So here 15 multiple going to solve upon divide. So x is equal to 660 by 15. So 15 1 ja, 15 4 ja, 60. Okay, again 15 4 ja. So that is x is equal to how much? 44 meter. So the length of another parallel side is how much? 44 meter. Next, example 2. The area of a rhombus is 240 centimeter square and one of the diagonal is 16 centimeter. Find the other diagonal. So here, what the rhombus? Adjacent sides are equal, diagonals are not equal, diagonals are bisect to each other. So area of rhombus formula is what? Half into d1 into d2. So here this is rhombus. So here adjacent sides are equal, the diagonals are not equal, but the diagonals are perpendicularly bisect to each other. Perpendicular means when they meet, the angle is how much? 9 degrees. Bisect means dividing into two equal parts. So So that is here. These two are equal. Again, these two are equal. So AC is a diagonal, BD is a diagonal. So here given so length of one diagonal. How many diagonals are there? Two diagonals in a rhombus. So in this one diagonal is how much? 16 centimeter. Next, length of another diagonal they did not give. So let us take the another diagonal is x. So next given the area of rhombus. Area of rhombus. How much given? 240 centimeter square. So what the formula for area of rhombus? Half into d1 into d2 is equal to how much? 240. So half 1 by 2 into d1. It is a d1. So it is d2. So half into 16 into x is equal to 40. So 2 1 ja 2 8 ja. So 8 into x is equal to 40. So 8 multiple values divide. So x is equal to 240 by 8. So 8 1 ja 8 30 ja. So x is equal to how much? 30 centimeter. So the length of another diagonal is how much? 30 centimeter. Next, example 3. There is a hexagon. Hexagon means what? A regular polygon which having 6 sides. So what is called regular polygon? All sides and all angles are equal. It is called regular polygon. So in a regular polygon, 6 sides are equal. 6 sides is there. That is called hexagon. So there is a hexagon MNOPQR. Half side 5 centimeter. Aman and Ridhima divide it into two different ways. Find the area of this hexagon using both ways. Okay, here Ridhima ways and Aman's ways. So here MNOPQR. It is a hexagon. Each length is how much? 5 centimeter. 5 5 5. All sides are equal. So they given that the length of hexagon, how much they given that? 11. The width of the hexagon, how much given? 8. So in Ridhima, this hexagon is divided like this. So join the line M1 line and RP line. Then form how many parts? In Ridhima, 3 parts. One is triangle, rectangle, triangle. So here this length is how much? 5 5 5 5 5 5. So the total length is how much? Length of the hexagon is how much? 11. So in this 11 it is a 5. Then what the remaining? 6. So 11 minus 5, how much? 6. So the 6 centimeter is divided in two parts. Here 3 centimeter, here 3 centimeter. Here 3, here 3. Okay, so here Ridhima methods. So Ridhima divide the hexagon into 3 parts. So area of hexagon is equal to area of 2 triangles and area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. So area of triangle form is what? Half into base into height. So here the base is how much? 8. So here the width of the hexagon is how much? 8. This how much more it is? 8. So here 8, here also 8. So that is equal to triangles 2 into area of triangle 1 by 2 into base. How much? 8. Height is how much? Height of the triangle is how much? 3. 3. How you can get? The total height of the hexagon is how much? 11. In this 11, it is a 1. It is a height. So what the remaining height? 11 minus 5 is called how much? 6. The 6 is divided in 2 parts. That is 3 3. So plus area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length is 8. Breadth is 5. So that is 8 into 5. So 2 2 cancel. 8 3 24. plus 8 5 is 40. So 24 plus 40, how much? 64 centimeter square. So in Riemann way, the area of hexagon MNOPQR is equal to how much? 64 centimeter square. Next, we can find Amund's method. So the height of the hexagon is how much? 11 centimeter. Next, the width of the hexagon, how much given that in actual problem? 8. So when you draw the line, then the hexagon is dividing one parts, 2 parts. Okay, that means the width is also dividing 2 parts. It is equal here 4, here 4, here 4, 4. So each side length, how much given that? 5, 5, 5. So when you draw the line N to Q, then the hexagon is divided into 2 trapeziums. Okay, so in these trapeziums, so it is a one parallel side, it is one parallel side. So the height of the trapezium is how much? 4. Here the height of the trapezium is how much? 4, 11, 5. How we can get the 4? The width is, that hexagon is divided into 2 parts. Then the width is also divided into 2 parts. The width is how much? 8. So that is 8 by 2, that is 4, 4. So Amund's method is area of hexagon MNOPQR is equal. So area of two trapeziums are equal. So area of two trapeziums. So that is what the area of the trapezium, half into base, half into h into a plus b. So 2 into 2 trapeziums, that's why you can write as 2. 2 into 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. So here h is equal to how much? 4. Next a is equal to how much? 11. B is equal to how much? 5. So it is, these two are parallel sides. Okay, so that is equal to cancel. H is 4 into 11 plus 5. So that is 4 into 11 plus 5, 16. 16 4 is 64. So in both ways, so Amund's method, area of hexagon is how much? 64. In Riemann methods, area of hexagon is how much? 64. So in the both ways, the area of the hexagon is how much? Same, 64. So thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and share to your friends. Thank you.